मेहरबानी मेहरबानी yes मेहरबानी My name is Mindy, and I'm from the United States, and I've come here to marry Sajid, and my new name will be Zaleha Zev. And it's been such a great experience. Everyone here is so warm and welcoming, hospitable, very respectful people, and I'm married now, and I'm very happy. Very peaceful people. Very peaceful. I feel very safe here, and his family is just amazing, as well as this culture and this area. You have to experience it for yourself. It is not what you hear about. It is so much more. It is so beautiful here, so peaceful, and yes, I invite everyone to come here and see what this land has to offer. Plan to go home, and we're going to get Sajid's paperwork processed, and he's coming to America with me. I'm very good. I'm very happy. The area is very beautiful. Yes, the mountains and the scenery and the river. Yes. I've been to several other countries. I've been to Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, and now Pakistan.